Yeah, thank you, Keja.
Yeah, welcome.
So, uh, what? Okay. As discussed yesterday, about the this Azure cloud computing anything. So let me today we are going to introduce about the Azure portal. So coming to introduction, let me share my screen. Yeah, are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, we are able to see.
Great. Yeah. Actually, we just discussed about cloud computing in the normal sentences and normal things, but today we are going to discuss the same thing in technical manner. Means how we are using, how we are going to have the cloud computing, and what is the models are there, and what are the characteristics of the of that, and what could be the advantages, disadvantages for that, and what are the services using the cloud computing. Those points we are going to discuss now. So, as a first point, just cloud computing. What is cloud computing means? Uh, Cloud is nothing but is a virtual, and we can say it as it's a place where we can it is working based on the internet things. Means without the internet we can't manage, we can't do anything in the in the in simply if we call it as cloud. And computing is nothing but is a general word, like managing a things. Managing is nothing but any thing like creation, updation, and giving operations like whatever it may be monitoring, and it may be storaging, anything. See, even if I type in Google for the meaning of this one, it will give you the same thing. Let me, yeah, see. Cloud computing, the practice of using network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Rather than a local server or a personal computer is nothing but is like a virtual, which is not in presence of our in our premises. It's like it's not like a servers, and it something would be in somewhere which is managed by some other king. So this like simply we can say it as cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing is we can say it's like managing one, but what is the characteristics of that? Means how it will proceed with our lives. Means in our present market or present uses, what it may be a how it could be virtuated on persons. We can say it like for example, I will say few things. See, first, like remotely hosted. Remotely hosted is nothing but it is on any other place, not in a on-premises one, and repeat, ubiquitous is nothing but you can utilize that from anywhere, any place. And resiliency, resiliency is nothing but cloud providers generally means, I can say in simple words, resiliency is nothing but we can have different data centers to avoid the traffic. Means for example we can take click clickbooks. Clickbooks means like a cricket score, like any app which is used for cricket score, tomorrow cricket score. Nowadays kongi kongi is going on there. How for example roughly, can you imagine for 1 minute how many requests it will hit the server? Can you imagine how for 1 minute how many count request can hit the server? Just imagine. Means, do you have any idea? Roughly idea. For 1 minute, how many requests hit the server for knowing the cricket score? Anyone can say. Just idea.
In Hotstar, 40 lakhs, more than 40 lakhs.
More than 40 lakhs.
Yeah.
Okay. In that, can you say correctly like only Indian people can watch that? Is there anything like that? Means
No,
is there anyone can say only Indian people can use it, not other countries?
not only India, all over the world they can access.
Exactly. See, if yeah, yeah, I want, yeah, that answer I need. So simply, I will say, if you have very less server, like we can say, if you only 1,000 requests can applicable for 1 minute, means can only 1,000 requests may accept for 1 minute, means in that case, any persons from not only India, from other countries also, they raise the request at the same time. What happens? More than 1,000 people, more than 1,000 requests. So there is a some block, some slowness, and we can see like buffering for getting the live score. In for few apps, it will took like buffering. Why? Because means the server is getting log, more log. Are you getting right? What I'm trying to say. So if you think like, if you have a one server for India, one server in America, one server in other state, other countries, then what what would be the result? Means compared to first one, means first example, means we have one server, and people all over the world wants to request to that particular server only. But in the second case, what happens? I will put different. Means uh, I will put the servers in young number of places. So what happens in that situation? Any idea? Okay, let me see. So what happens means, for one server for 1 minute 1,000 requests, means I will put five different young number servers in different places, so that any people, that particular respective peoples, means respective country people can access that server only. So there is no problem at all, means there is no buffering, there is no log occur on servers. So it uh, it is easy to reduce the traffic, means log on the servers. Resiliency is nothing but putting the same copy of things. I mean, it's nothing but we can say example servers or any storage accounts or anything in different place, so that we can access it, or we can manage easily. We have different advantages with that. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? I hope you are understanding. Just give me a response like, yeah, okay, yeah, easy, understood. Like that also is, so that are you getting me right? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir, we are understanding what you're saying.
Yeah, thank you. So on-demand self-service means even we have a better like future here. Like how you don't want to pay means you don't want to pay anything. See, if you go for any movie or any buffing, for example, in a hotel, we have a buffet systems nowadays. If you go there, you want to pay fixed amount and you want to go inside. I know, I think you almost anyone everyone have an idea on that. Means what happens, we will go there and we eat or we don't eat, we need to pay same amount, and we need to come like that only. Means here what happens, again, if you go any normal hotel, okay, you want to pay how much you eat. Means if you're taking like puri or idli, one plate, you have to pay for those plates only. If you go with buffet, means you will take two plates also. You need to pay fixed amount. Means what I'm trying to say is, yeah, even you don't use that, you want to pay for some services. Here in cloud computing, we can work on that based on the user, what he uses. That one only he wants to pay. More than that, we go. It more. It don't charges that one. S- he and at the same time, rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity is nothing but, as said previously, whenever we got any like traffic, and when any if we say CPU performance is low, then we will increase the instances rapidly, and we will make sure that, and we will make it as a security, and from the, and we will give the management, the management process to to get only, means like we can say cloud to cloud. So what happens, we took manual, means automatically it will took everything. Mean there is no manual effort. Automatically, if you're taking any application, if it is in down, automatically it will raise the instances, and you will make that issue free, and that issue may not occur again. That is rapid elasticity. And broad network access. Broad network access is nothing but, as what we say, as I mentioned earlier, it is everywhere accessibility, and at the same time equal capability of adjusting with any type of what we say equipment. If you, sorry, in my side topic is more, again I repeat, if you any equipment like it's a mobile, it may be a laptop, it may be a notepad, it may be a MacBook, anything. It can be visible for you, it can easily understandable, means that there is no complications in the UI. It's a freely one. So that is why we call it is broad network access one, and fully managed by a provider. It's not. It is also one of the beautiful characteristics of cloud computing. It's nothing but managing the things is totally depends on us. Some based on the payment what we have choose, it will be it could be a respective one. Means if you taking a basic one, so the opportunities and the futures have the same as that that respective one. For example, we can say if you go with normal RTC buses, if you go with what we say Pallavelgu buses, and compared to with the express and compared to with the super luxury, there is a huge difference. Means based on the amount which we are selecting, means which we have comfortable we are selecting. So based on that, the performances and managing things is different. So security also it's a matter. Security also is manageable here. Means fully manageable provider. And means these are the characters is just like we can say behaviors of cloud computing. Means what it has, what are the things it may have. Similarly, we have means as I said, we have different types of models in cloud computing. And again, say you, cloud computing is different, and Azure, Microsoft Azure is different. Please note that point. Azure cloud computing is different, and cloud computing is different. Yeah, I will say you what is that also here. Let me say you about the models. What are the models we have in the Azure in the cloud computing? See, basically in a cloud computing, we have three models, means three services. Means we can say three. We can, in simply, we can say it as divided into three types. We can say it's like that. So what that is SaaS, PaaS, as. In a hierarchical, we want to say means as, PaaS, SaaS. Means from down to top, we want to say. In a as is nothing but infrastructure as a service. PaaS is nothing but platform as a service. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. I will make sure more easily for you. Um, Let me is not yeah. Mm, Let me sorry. Just say me. Are you visible this one? What I open here as PaaS.
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah, great. So before I'm trying to open this in new tab. Oh, okay. So what are the things what we for this for the as, SAS and PaaS? I have a just small example. I will compare with an example with which is going in our daily life. We all you can see that. So uh, before on premises is just an exam is a separate one, but basically we have three models like as, PaaS, and SaaS. As in the sense, as I said, as is nothing but infrastructure as a service. Means the place where infrastructure is providing for you. Means it will give the place you can build your own things. Simply if you say means compare with the any you have an idea about the buildings, right? Means like we can say uh, if you want to build any building, if you want to uh, otherwise if you want to create a plan, what you need there. Means if you want to build a new house for your family, so what you need first, anyone can say. If,
Requirements.
yeah, requirements only. You need to build a house for your family. Then first we need one thing. Means what are the requirements you need?
Bricks and cement and all these things we need. First,
Uh,
we need flat for
Plan. Okay, plan. Okay. Next.
we need amount
Uh, yeah.
money. Without
Okay.
money,
We need
and
land first.
Mm, okay. Let go. You have a plan. You have money. You have bricks. You have sand. It is enough for you. for building a house? Mainly what you need? You need a place,
Land.
right?
Build a
You need a place, right?
Right.
You need a land. So for me, if you ask the same question to me, I will say I need a place for first thing. I need a land. Why? Because without place or without land, I can't do anything. If even I have money, even I have bricks, even I have sand also, where I want to build that one, that building, that house, right? So basically, we need a place first. Understood? I mean, just simply I'm saying. So in the same place, uh, we can say it as infrastructure. Even we use that infrastructure work in our kitchen also. So people used to say you need what we say sufficient infrastructure so that we can build our kitchen very beautiful. Have you listened these works anytime? Infrastructure, blah blah blah. Okay. So same as the same thing. Here also cloud service. One of the cloud services infrastructure service. The people who need only the I mean it will give the place to you. You want to build from the you want to create your own plan. You want to create your base makam. You want to I mean what we say we want to raise the pillars from basic to ending. We need to do our manually. Means here what I want to trying to say is like infrastructure as service means just they will give you the infrastructure. I mean, so for your resources, for your whatever you want to create. For example, if you want to create any application, if you want to host your own application, and if you want to store your data in some storage accounts, whatever it may be. They don't. Some people right? They don't trust some builders. They will they will trust on them. They will create kings from there only. Means they will talk to Mestri. I have a land. I want to this type of king, and please make sure they will give the contact. Some people they will do the things from starting to ending. So for those people, it will give the as service for us. Means it will give the place to us. Here we want to create the resources. Here resources is nothing but as you said means I think who just now just saying here in our example we can say it as sand, bricks,
Cement.
cement. These are all the resources which is required to create an uh, huge what we say architecture. So those are all the resources we can use it here. Means just we can say as see. And coming to I will say why it is in the first week you can able to see all in sky blue. In the second column you can see it, few are in sky blue and few are in green means like green. And we can say in pass platform as a service. Here what platform as a service means uh, we can say it as builders or any yeah builders only. In builders generally what we do at the time of building the buildings sorry what we say constructing the homes. Just we go there and we will say oh okay just modifications means according to the requirements you will say I need I need this bathroom there. Means I don't want to any room or I need a kitchen like this. Means I need a hall like this. I don't need this one means based on there is a place, there is a builders, and there is a kings everything for you, but you will get you will what you say, you will do some requirement, you will change the kings according to your requirements. It's a pass, means platform as a service. Coming to SaaS, solution as a service. Solution as a service is nothing but everything from what we say, we can say is a flags or any second houses, means already everything is happening. I mean everything is what we say, construction is completed. Just we go there and we give the money and change that to to our names. You are getting my point, right? Everything is there. Just we need to use it as our own. Just give the money and make sure that that is yours property, like that. Now I will say why these colors. Why there is some difference in colors. This one, uh, what is in blue color, it is totally managed by a persons, means by us. If I am the client, or if you are the client, if you are user, you have the account, you are responsible for this. Means if you go with as I said, you need to build your own resources. You need to create it. You need to deploy it. You need to store the what we say. You need to have your own infrastructure for your requirement based on your requirement. That is why. See, let me. Okay. Let me, how I can do this. Click speaker view first. See, in the as I will say about the on premises. In the as we have the OS, you have to create your own applications. You have to have the data. You have the runtime. Means these are all managed by ours. Means we can say it as I need for the storage account. I need the capacity only 500 MB. Just an example. I'm giving an example. Generally, for storage accounts, it's like TBs. For example, I'm saying as MBs. Uh, I need for my storage account only disk to disk MB only. So I don't beyond like I don't any I mean I don't need anything. Means any futures also I will restrict that. So those things will manage by us. And coming to this whatever the sky blue means the like green color, light green color is managed by Azure means cloud, not Azure, cloud computing one. Coming to pass, here applications and data can be managed by us, and everything means runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, networking. Runtime is nothing but if you got means any what we say, um, what we say any downtime or traffic issues, any like load balance issues or any failures in the application, it will manage by the cloud computing server or the cloud computing service provider. And even like servers also, even like storage accounts also, even like networking also, total managed by provider managers is nothing but cloud provider. I say what is cloud provider, cloud computing providers means. And SaaS. In the SaaS, from basic to top, means from bottom level of if you're taking any house, uh, means we can say resort or any already constructed buildings, just we need to register that one. Means so that it will change, it is your property. Means here how you know, that for yeah, I will give the examples for you. For a SaaS, we can say we can have a best example Google. See, Google is what we say. Google is sorry for Gmail. So Gmail. Gmail. What happens in a Gmail? Just you go there and you will give your the name and whatever the requirements to fill that one, you will fill that. So what happens? It will give you separate UI to you. Not only Gmail, you can go with WhatsApp and you can go with FB, means Facebook. You can go with what we say, everyone is using that one. What we say that Insta, sorry, Instagram. I'm not. I'm very less knowledge on that social websites, so don't kick, don't mind. Even what these are all what we just give our just we will sign up with our details, so it will create an account for us. Everything from like managing the things, if you send any message, it will send to that particular person. If you if you are not in online, it will store the messages for you. And when you come into online, all the data whatever is stored in the backup, it will present in our messages, I mean what we say in our UI. Best example is WhatsApp. If you have network now, means internet, it will give you the, I mean it will show the things. Otherwise it will store the data in a backup, means in the backend servers. That uh, you are getting me right? What is SaaS means? Already everything is there. Just we need to use it. That's it. Best example Google. We have a Facebook accounts, everything like that. And now I come to this on-premises one. So here what I'm saying on-premises is nothing but have you heard about virtual machines? Some people will say VPNs, some people will say remote desktops. Have you heard any time about that? No? Okay. Let me say that to you. On-premises is nothing but in our piece. Simply we can say sometimes people use it to say make your PC, means make your PC into two users, means two services, or you can say virtual machines. Virtual machines is nothing but uh, all the data, means everything from basic. You need to install, you need to create even OS also. See in some, if you, for example, if you take your PC, uh, how many OS you can what we say, you can download or you can install for any normal PC. How many OS you can install? Any idea? Just as a question, how many OS at a time we can use in our PCs? Is getting any chance to do that?
Yeah, there is a chance by using VMware we can use another OS in the Windows machine.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, we can use.
Skill. Yeah, that is by using VMwares is nothing but remote desktops. We can do that. Yeah, still we can do that. We can have a multiple ways. Why, guys? Simple. See, simple. If you means you and you never get that scenario, I got that. I means I have a scenario like me and my brother is there. He wants to work on Ubuntu, but I want to work on my Windows. So in this situation, what we have done is just we have separated, means we have divided our RAM, our PC into two users. Based on that, I used means I have separate get what we say storage. So I have installed Windows 10. My brother having as another user account, he installed Ubuntu in that. So we have used same PCs. Means in one PC only we have a different OS. Mean just I'm saying, bro. Uh, you have an idea, right? We can make it our PCs into two kings, two
Yeah,
users,
yeah.
two accounts.
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens in if we do that in like that means, so we are the responsible that OS means if any OS crash or anything happens, we need to manage that. And even though what we say the storage we are the responsibility for that. Means any slowness what we do will go in nearby service center. We will say anga put hard disk anga gingi size bench anga, we'll say like that, no? Why? Because simply I want to say is like, if you go with competences means we need to manage manually everything. We are the responsibility for that. If you so in hierarchy level, if you go with as fast as there is the manual effect decreasing is there. You got an idea, right? What the means about these services as pass and says. We are not go with the key something says one just for example, an idea. This is the thing you have, but only in the cloud computing we have as pass and says. I mean these are the services, main services we have. Okay, and in the same manner as cloud services, we have the different deploying models, deployment things in the cloud computing. Let me show you that also. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Mhm. Cloud computing deployment. Don't worry, I will share you the documents. Just for explanation purpose only, I'm using this Google. Why I will prefer Google means it will have the latest things. Means it is easier to understand the people very easily. See. Mhm. Yeah. Basically, we have three types of cloud deployment models. One is private cloud, one is uh, hybrid, means network community, and one is public cloud. Public cloud is nothing but whatever data you have stored is can anyone use it, can anyone access it. It is freely for everyone. Means if you take in Wikipedia, Google Wikipedia, if you search anything on by saying Wikipedia, you can get the data of that specific one without paying any single rupee. Means we can say cricket. For cricket scoring, for knowing a king, that we have a free websites. Again, if you want to watch that what we say that cricket match, you want to pay that. For example, we have a Hotstar. For, in a Hotstar, we can't see I think I have an idea like only 30 minutes we can able to see the things. Means we can view the videos up to 30 minutes without having an account. And they will give you the permission to view that unless until you have an account. Am I right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. That means see, that is a payment one. Means it's like a private one that comes under private club. Means it is a place where some restrictions is there. You can't go directly. You can't access the account directly. You can't fetch the data easily. It has some firewalls. It has some means simply means for your data. If you are storing any data, there is a networking without cracking that network. Nobody can access your data. That is comes under private cloud. And community means community cloud. Under we have community cloud means hybrid cloud. It is a place where mixing of public as well as private. How you know? Same example we can take. What we say? Uh, Instagram. In Instagram, there is a chance to what we say. You can if you want to post anything, you can say to it. These many people can view it. These many people going to see. And even for WhatsApp also, if you post means if you have the what you say status, if you put any status, we can make it as private, right? Means we used to do that. Means if you taking a picture with your lovers, we need to go to see your parents, right? For guest scenarios, we can go with hybrid cloud. Understood? Means
Yeah,
yeah,
you mean Flipkart, right?
Flipkart,
Hello. In
Flipkart.
Flipkart, we can select everything, right, without account. But we need to buy anything. Definitely, we should have an
Exactly.
account.
Yeah, that's also comes as yeah best example. That also. Uh,
Okay. Got it.
guys, don't mind anything. Just why I'm giving these many examples means you need to understand the things means easily. That is why I'm giving more examples. If you don't want examples means I will directly say you like commenting a thing. What we say, you will see English movies without captions like that. That is why I give the examples for everything. Yeah, this is the main thing for a hybrid, private, and public cloud. These are the deployment models. Means you can store the data as your public. For if anyone, all people wants to share the account means you will go with public cloud, and if you want only few people wants to use it, and if you access it means you will go with the private, and if you want to use your data to few people and don't want to write permissions. They want to read only permissions. They don't want to write. Then you will go with hybrid cloud. So that is what we say deployment models. And now I come to providers. I will show you cloud computing providers. What are the different types of cloud computing providers we have? see. Yung IBM also okay. Yeah. So Gizaga Top can provide us. I don't think, uh, as I said, uh, coming to India, everyone prefers AWS. Why? Because in our surroundings, we will used to see Amazon products like everywhere. So that is why people in India used to have a AWS more, more, more and more. Coming to Azure, Microsoft Azure is like it is a demand in other countries. So all are the same thing. Means cloud providers is nothing but which which one is going to provide you cloud computing service. As I said, previous cloud computing is an service. Cloud providers is the if you want to say AWS is the Amazon product, Azure is the Microsoft product, Google Cloud is the Google product, and IBM Cloud is there, and IBM is a IBM IBM product. In the same manner, we have a Alibaba Cloud, Salesforce, Dell, Dropbox. Uh, More often you will listen only these two, AWS and Amazon Web sorry, AWS Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. More often, I mean, everywhere you can see this one. Why? Gizaga, if we simply say means in the mobiles, Nokia is a Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, eh, all all are the mobile companies, but they will provide the mobiles. Means what is the difference means? Based the companies is different and their futures is different. Their process is different. Means someone if you go with Nokia, previously we have a Windows OS. Now any mobile have the Android versions, Android OS. But coming to iPhone, it is a different one. The OS is different. Means uh, what we say, their features are different and their amount is different. We can see now we are dealing with Azure, Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a one of the cloud provider which is giving a cloud computing service to us. So here we are using Microsoft Azure. Yeah. Um, yeah, guys. These are the things I want to know you. So, do you have any doubts? Whatever we discuss, right? Uh, Someone can stop the recording.
Teja, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, please start.